How to use the dark web, Dark Web URLs 2022. The dark web refers to a certain part of the internet that is not indexed by search engines. In other words, it is a dark place on the internet where anything goes. If you want to be anonymous and somewhat obscure from dangerous people out there, darknet markets are perfect for you. Before getting started, make sure you know as much as possible about darknet markets. It will help you understand your dark web activities better because its contents can't be accessed through normal means. You must use specific software or applications to access darknet markets. The most common example of this application is Tor browser. It allows users to stay anonymous while using darknet markets. This way, no one knows who owns the dark web footprint left behind after each dark web transaction is completed. Once you have a handle of darknet markets, the next step would be to actually go shopping by communicating with dark web sellers. After that, you can start negotiating dark web product prices and shipping details. In this regard, it helps if you know how to use Bitcoin. It's one of the easiest payment methods when making dark web purchases because Bitcoin payments are untraceable. If the darknet market seller doesn't accept Bitcoin for payment, try using another cryptocurrency such as Monero or Zcash instead. They're two of the most preferred cryptocurrencies in darknet markets today. Don't forget your security while on dark web sites. Just because everything is anonymous here does not mean that everyone is trustworthy out there. Don't give away any dark web login information to anyone out there, and use PGP encryption for dark web communications. Also, you must never reveal your real identity or location to dark web sellers and buyers by accident because that could lead to potential dark web threats. In addition, darknet markets can be seized by international authorities or hacked at any time as well. You should always practice secure browsing habits when using the dark web. In conclusion, now you know how to access darknet marketplaces and start using them today. To stay anonymous while on darknet sites, make sure you take extra precautions such as strong dark web security measures too. This way, you can protect yourself from a variety of online threats out there. Visit the link in the description below for more information.